Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to get OnlyFans Telegram bot link in 2025. Today we are talking about a topic a lot of people have been searching for, the so-called OnlyFans Telegram bot in 2025. Let's clear up the confusion and let you know what's really going on. Right now, there is no official or legal OnlyFans Telegram bot that gives you access to content for free. Most of these bots are fake, scams, or phishing tools that can steal your information or infect your device with malware. Using these kind of bots not only violates OnlyFans terms of service, but it can also put your device and personal data at serious risk. Plus, promoting or using these tools could lead to your account being banned or worse. That is a big legal trouble. So to keep it real, there is no working OnlyFans Telegram bot link in 2025. If you're looking to support creators or view their content, the best way is to do it directly through the official OnlyFans platform. You can also go to Telegram and search for OnlyFans and you will see that there is no OnlyFans official bot. So that's the truth. There is nothing like this. It is a total scam. So if this video helped to clarify things, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech updates and safety tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.